The technology stack represents the collection of technical pieces that fit together to create a complete web application. For example, a site like Instagram requires a database to store information about users, a server to store photos, and a visual interface for users to search, view, and post images. The term full-stack developer usually means someone who knows the complete collection of technologies needed to build an application. The full stack, in reality, no one knows everything. But a full-stack developer is considered someone who understands both front-end and back-end technologies. The front is what users see and interact with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and user interface libraries like React. The backend provides the behind-the-scenes processing and storage power of a web application. In the backend, you'll find databases and file storage systems, web servers, and server-side programming with Node.js and SQL. If you're still becoming a full-stack developer, join Netcoder Technology Full Stack Development Program.